290 in Mangum area. Be on the lookout, Hood News peeps. A mom reached out. She goes bike riding with her children. They go to the store sometimes. They have good times together. And then this bandit shows up and steals her bike. I mean, gang, can we get a break? Like, the struggle is real out here for parents, trying to raise their kids and spend quality time. But don't worry, I personally am securing her a new bicycle. My message to this bandit: law enforcement will be looking for you, and we greatly appreciate them. They're working on this, and we're going to make it happen. Stop stealing from your neighbors. Stop stealing, period. Ponte a trabajar. Start working. Go get a job. You won't always get lucky like this. Next time, you might encounter a citizen that is armed and ready to roll.